You've always dreamed of flying. Ever since you were a kid, you knew someday you were going to fly. You made yourself the promise. Someday, you'd have your own plane. Maybe this year, you'll keep your promise. For men and women around the world who love to fly, home-built aircraft like the Kitfox have kept the dream alive. When you choose to build your own aircraft, you'll get more performance for your money. A plane that's fun to fly, a plane you can afford. But perhaps more importantly, you'll gain a measure of satisfaction and personal accomplishment so tremendous, many builders find it hard to describe. Let's just say that your Kitfox could fulfill all your dreams and become your ultimate flying experience. Welcome to the world of kit planes and the Skystar Kitfox family of aircraft. In the next few minutes, we'll show you what makes the Kitfox a terrific airplane to build and to fly, how the Kitfox is designed and manufactured, and how you can build a Kitfox at home for a lifetime of flying enjoyment. A Kitfox fits in with your lifestyle and enhances it. As a Kitfox owner, flying becomes affordable. Folding wings mean home storage, or share a hangar with a friend or two. And efficient engines and unleaded fuel will cost you as little as $5 to $6 an hour in operating costs. Now you can fly anytime you want to have fun. Take your spouse, your best friend, or the kid next door. There's room for two in your Kitfox, plus extra space for everything you take along. The Kitfox can take it. Over 600 pounds of useful load makes everything possible. The Kitfox is also one of the world's premier short takeoff and landing, or STOL, aircraft. Due to the exceptional performance, wide range of custom features, good useful load, and adaptability, the Kitfox has become one of the most popular planes in sport aviation. Put yourself in the cockpit. You and someone special enjoying the freedom of flying. Flying for fun may be low and slow over your favorite river or foothills, or it may be an easy day trip to visit your family and friends. Would you like to land on your favorite lake this summer for a day of fishing, or add skis to your landing gear for a new kind of winter excitement? If this is your kind of flying, we think you'll find what you're looking for in a Kitfox. And depending on your needs and budget, you can choose from several different Kitfox designs. Take a look. Sport pilots around the world have made the classic Kitfox 4 the most popular kit plane in the world today. Chosen by many builders as the ultimate recreational flyer, the 4 is well suited to floats, skis, and just about every type of short field performance flying. This Kitfox can require as little as 150 feet to become airborne, with only 200 feet of landing ground roll. The Kitfox 4 fulfills the Kitfox tradition of versatility. Equipped with amphibious or straight floats, you'll be on the step and off the water quickly while you enjoy the fun of flying one of the most affordable float planes available today. You can even take your Kitfox camping any time of the year, and winter is no obstacle to enjoyment of your Kitfox. Truly an aircraft for all seasons. Once you're in the air, you'll find that cruise speeds range up to 125 miles per hour. Stall speeds are held to an amazing 35 miles per hour, depending on your engine and flying weight. Skystar supports the Kitfox 4 with a wide range of engines, including the Rotax 503, 582, and 912. These engines range in size from 52 to 80 horsepower for a variety of price and performance alternatives. Or select your own engine to meet your unique needs. Equipped with a Rotax 503 and a 475-pound empty weight, this Kitfox can qualify as an ultralight trainer in the United States, eliminating the need for a pilot certificate when used for training purposes. In Germany and other European countries, the Classic 4 is recognized as an ultralight aircraft with more powerful Rotax engine configurations. For more information, check with your local authorities or call Skystar regarding Kitfox certification in your country.
I've flown for 30 years. I've flown everything from Moonies and Beechcrafts and Cessna 182s and 185s and a lot of different tail draggers. I learned to fly on a Aeronca sedan, a 4-place tail dragger built by Aeronca. The Kitfox probably, in no doubt in my mind, is the most fun airplane to fly. It has a much broader speed envelope than anything I've ever flown. My wife and I have flown it last year. After completion, we flew it back to Oshkosh, Wisconsin and back, and then about 3 weeks ago we came back from a trip up the Alcan Highway to Anchorage and back in a Kitfox, and most of the Canadian people up there had a hard time believing that we were really flying this little airplane up the Alcan.
For pilots who like the sleek looks of a speed package, the popular Speedster has the classic style of the sport planes of the 1930s. The perfect plane for pilots who enjoy spirited flying, the Speedster option package performs as well as it looks. Wheel pants, speed fairings, and additional speed features are all standard equipment on the Speedster. These features provide a true top speed of up to 130 miles per hour on your Kitfox Classic 4. Professional aerobatic pilot Jim Franklin flies a stock Kitfox Speedster at major air shows. His dynamic flying skills and the spectacular performance of the Speedster are crowd favorites. All of this flying performance is based on an 80 horsepower Rotax 912 engine and other standard Kitfox equipment. No modifications were required for Jimmy's performance. No matter what your flying interests, you'll enjoy outstanding Kitfox performance and handling from a Speedster of your very own.
Even though I fly for a living, I'm still really excited about the Speedster because it's a totally different kind of flying. We get to go out and do things in a Speedster that would get our ticket pulled for if we did it with 100 passengers in the back, and yet in the Speedster it's perfectly safe, perfectly legal, and an awful lot of fun.
For pilots who want even more standard features, such as a 1,400 pounds gross weight and extra cabin room in their Kitfox, Skystar presents the Kitfox Series 5 family of aircraft. The Series 5 is available as a tail dragger, shown here, or as the popular Kitfox Vixen for pilots who prefer a sporty tricycle landing gear. The versatile Series 5 tail draggers are available with your choice of landing gear and cowling styles, and a wide range of options to create your very own personalized aircraft. Let's take a look. Equipped with a round or bump cowling and traditional steel tube gear, the Series 5 tail dragger has a popular nostalgic look and true Kitfox style. On the factory demonstration aircraft, the bump cowling and steel gear on this Series 5 are accented by optional wheel pants and speed fairings. These options are available separately, as shown here, or sold together as the very popular Speedster option package. Now you can equip either a Kitfox Classic 4 or new Series 5 tail dragger with your choice of Speedster options. Check your Kitfox order form for details. As an alternative to the traditional Kitfox style, Skystar also offers the Kitfox Safari option package. Outfit your Kitfox with a heat-treated spring aluminum gear and new smooth cowling for a streamlined look, reminiscent of the popular Cessna 180. These options may be ordered together or separately. All Kitfox aircraft, including the Kitfox Series 5, have versatile folding wings. In just a few minutes, one person can fold the Kitfox wings and have it ready for easy towing and storage. One more way the Kitfox makes flying fun and inexpensive. Another popular option are interchangeable wingtips. Available on the Series 5 tail dragger and Vixen, this feature offers Kitfox owners the ultimate in flying versatility. Simply remove one bay from the wing and shorten your Kitfox wingspan from 32 feet to 29 feet in minutes. The shorter wing length provides improved cruise speeds and roll responsiveness, while the long wing provides superb takeoff and climb performance. With more features and options than ever before, the Kitfox Series 5 family gives you the perfect combination of style and performance to suit your flying needs. You'll enjoy many hours of flying pleasure in your Kitfox and appreciate the low cost of ownership and operation. With your choice of customized options, the Kitfox Series 5 family provides exceptional comfort, versatility, and economical flying. The Series 5 family has many additional standard features and options. For more information on equipment available on both aircraft, take a look at the popular Kitfox Series 5 Vixen. The Kitfox Vixen brings modern tricycle gear style to the traditional Kitfox clan. Designed to provide sport plane performance with enhanced stability, the Vixen is an ideal alternative to many used certified aircraft, and especially popular with new pilots. Like all Series 5 aircraft, the Vixen is available with many options, including the variable length wing, electric trim, a variable incidence horizontal stabilizer, and individually adjustable rudder pedals. Strong and flexible, a one-piece T6 aluminum main gear allows exceptionally easy landings. A wide array of equipment normally found only on certified aircraft is standard on the Vixen. McCreary aircraft grade tires and Cleveland wheels and brakes, to name just a few. These standard features offer exceptional ground handling characteristics and are just some of the quality products and innovations included on the Kitfox Vixen. Perhaps the most popular Vixen feature is the extra-large cabin area. Ideal for even larger pilots, the Vixen cockpit has more width across the shoulders than a Beechcraft Bonanza. For those of us who really want to get away from it all, the Vixen is also available with a vacuum system for full gyro instrumentation, a landing light, and a cruise range of over 600 miles, making the Vixen an excellent cross-country cruiser. Whether you like the extra room, extra options, or sharp styling, the popular Vixen is an outstanding sport plane with a special steady handling quality all its own.
If somebody walked up to me off the street and said, I want to build an airplane that has a performance similar to the Kitfox, I would steer them towards the Vixen, because I think that that product that they recently came out with has great future with Skystar. It's got the performance, and it also has the slow speed characteristics that you need for getting in and out of small fields, and it's got a great look to it.
Classic 4, Series 5 Tail Dragger, Series 5 Vixen, and your choice of Speedster or Safari option packages. Exceptional and versatile aircraft with distinct personalities and one outstanding Kitfox heritage.
Of course, people are really important, and the products that you produce are important. And I think what we try to do at the company is to produce well-designed, well-engineered, well-built products. And we try to do that in a way that's consistent with a philosophy of constantly improving the product. And that takes a special class of people and a special intention.
Nampa, Idaho is home to Skystar Aircraft Corporation corporate offices. Every day, Kitfox kits are manufactured, customized, crated, and shipped from this location to builders around the world. Each of these new Kitfox kits is the product of years of refinement on the original Kitfox design. This constant upgrade process is called CANI, for constant and never-ending improvement. It is the basis of the Skystar philosophy and part of every job within the company. Constant improvement is especially visible in engineering and product development, where every aspect of the Kitfox is reviewed and refined. To support this process and develop new products, Skystar employs a very talented engineering team. Through the talent of its employees and the constant improvement of the CANI philosophy, Skystar is dedicated to bringing the latest technology and product improvements to all Kitfox owners.
Skystar Aircraft's product development department consists of engineering, research and development, flight testing, and new documentation. This large staff allows us to build not only an enjoyable flying aircraft, but a safe aircraft for our Kitfox builders.
Thorough design, testing, and constant quality improvement are the hallmarks of the product development team. Solid engineering creates the outstanding flight performance of the Kitfox design and ensures one of the best safety records in general aviation. One of the most important features of Kitfox performance and safety is the unique laminar enhanced airfoil and powerful full-span flaperons. Flaperons combine the function of both flaps and ailerons in one versatile unit. Kitfox flaperons are also activated with a differential control system. Here's how it works. While turning, the inboard flaperon is extended farther up than the outboard flaperon extends down, effectively minimizing adverse yaw. In addition, when the flap handle is deployed, both flaperons move in unison, effectively creating full-span flaps. For superior roll control, Kitfox flaperons are detached from the trailing edge. With a detached flaperon, high-energy air from the lower surface of the wing enhances flaperon effectiveness. This position is especially beneficial during high angles of attack, often found during slow flight, stalls, and landings, situations which render conventional ailerons sluggish. The sophisticated airfoils on the wing and flaperon and their position relative to each other give the Kitfox outstanding flight responsiveness, unsurpassed maneuverability, and great slow speed handling. High-performance wing designs are just one of the many details which are so important to Skystar in the constant improvement to the Kitfox design.
Our constant improvement program, known as CANI, is a very important part of product development. Through this program, we continually improve our product line. Also, our customers can use this new technology to enhance their aircraft design. Skystar has the largest engineering team in the industry. We are constantly asking ourselves, how can we make the Kitfox better, safer, and more enjoyable to fly? And in doing this, we use a multiple phase approach to our design. Conceptual approach, the design, first article, and production. With a large engineering staff and our computer-aided technology, we are able to achieve this.
Being a pilot myself and working with other engineers who are pilots gives us an extra appreciation for what this actually means in terms of the combination of engineering and product development, because we know that what we're developing now is really going to be a practical aircraft for a pilot to fly, because we can see it from the pilot's perspective.
A large part of the engineering effort is dedicated to the creation of accurate tooling, production quality jigs, and manufacturing tolerances accurate to thousandths of an inch. Manufacturing is where the Kitfox design comes to life. Every Kitfox is manufactured by skilled craftsmen. Heavy-duty steel jigs and tooling assure accuracy and long-term use. These investments consistently produce the kind of high-quality, close-fitting parts required for the long life of Kitfox designs. As an example, Skystar continues to create parts and accessories for the Kitfox Model 1, first produced in 1984. A select team of professional welders are highly skilled in both MIG and TIG welding. Each weld is carefully created by American craftsmen who take pride in their work. An experienced observer will note the manual stitch mode used to provide excellent weld appearance and penetration, providing strength for your safety. The wood ribs of every Kitfox wing are prefabricated for the builder from aircraft-grade multi-ply Finland birch. 1-inch cap strips on the top and bottom ensure a broad bonding surface for the durable fabric covering. Custom extruded aluminum spar stiffeners give all Kitfox wings strength and durability. Pre-molded extrusions provide accurate leading-edge shaping of the wing. This important detail saves hours of building time while enhancing the wing's shape and performance. Unique symmetrical airfoil flaperons have an aluminum skin and closed-cell foam ribs over a strong, lightweight aluminum spar. Hinges are pre-installed for the builder's convenience. The entire assembly is bonded together with aerospace-grade epoxy and cured in precision heat presses. The completed flaperon is attached to the Kitfox wing with prefabricated steel hinges for strength and durability. Kitfox quality means attention to details. A closer look at the fuselage shows that the tubing ends are capped. Tabs and brackets are rounded at the factory for a quality, finished look. As an owner, you'll appreciate these and the many other conveniences and quality details throughout your Kitfox. Outstanding Kitfox quality is based on years of success. In 1994, the Kitfox celebrates its 10th anniversary. During this time, the Kitfox has been recognized and praised by many experts in the industry. The Kitfox quality reputation and performance have made the Kitfox a very popular airplane. Kitfox quality also ensures an excellent builder completion rate. There are over 1,000 Kitfox aircraft already flying and another 1,000 under construction. Satisfied Kitfox owners tell us this is an airplane you can truly enjoy, a project you know you can finish. Ultimately, the Kitfox is an airplane that's worth your time.
It's a really great learning experience. I mean, you'll really get to know airplanes, and you'll feel a lot more confident flying a plane that you know every part of. You touched it, you sanded it, you painted it, you know. If you want to be a pilot, learning to build a plane is just going to make you a better pilot.
We selected the Kitfox because of the high quality components of the kit, good company support, excellent performance, and it's just a heck of a good looking airplane, we felt.
Well, I've owned several aircraft, and I've considered buying one, but when you pay $35,000 for a half wore out one, I felt why not go ahead and go with a build your own kits.
So the total experience, I would say, is very pleasant, and I recommend it to anybody that has that kind of an interest at all.
Proven design, proven performance, and one of the best reputations in the industry. When it comes to flight performance, solid design, and quality manufacturing, Skystar sets the pace with the fun-loving Kitfox. When you know it's the plane for you, you're ready to select and receive a Kitfox of your very own. Skystar's professional sales staff has the experience to help you choose the best design and options for your Kitfox. You can select from a wide variety of options, including interior and instrument selections, powder coating, and quick-build wing kits. Your choice of options isn't limited to just the style of your Kitfox. Skystar also offers alternative payment plans. The Skystar Buy-As-You-Build plan is an excellent alternative for those who want to extend their payments over time. Pay for each kit as you receive and complete them, making the Kitfox one step easier for you to own. Other options include various bank finance plans. Your choice of payment options is Skystar's way to help you get started. We want you to know the pride of building and flying your own plane. Skystar sales make getting your Kitfox easier because the best customer service starts when we help you make the right selection. When you've chosen your Kitfox, our operations team will start putting your complete package together for you. What you'll get is one of the most complete kits in the industry. Each component, nut, and bolt is carefully counted, individually labeled, and packaged according to use. When it's all together, we packed your new Kitfox in one heavy-duty crate for your convenience and durability in shipping, across the state or around the world. Out the factory doors and into the truck, your new Kitfox is on its way to you to fulfill a dream, bringing you a lifetime of flying enjoyment. Your new Kitfox is the beginning of a partnership with Skystar, a company dedicated to helping you achieve your goals. Our partnership begins with legendary customer support. You'll discover that Kitfox aircraft are not only fun to fly, our builders tell us the Kitfox is also fun and easy to build. The Kitfox is loved by builders of all ages. It can be a family effort, a partnership, and of course, a Kitfox is a very popular retirement project.
Our family are geographically centered, separated, I mean to say, by at least a couple of 100 miles, but this kit had the effect of bringing both sons over much oftener than I'm sure they would have otherwise, from the west coast to our home on the east side of the Cascade Mountains. That was one net benefit, and
they helped build.
Well, they helped, of course, this is what I mean. They were participating, and the other son did wiring, and this son did a lot of the mechanical.
The straightforward design and construction also make the Kitfox an ideal aircraft for first-time builders. In fact, the majority of new Kitfox owners have never built anything like this before.
No one should hesitate if they're even thinking about trying to build an airplane. It's particularly Kitfoxes. There's no magic. There's no secret procedures. Every part of it is fun. It's straightforward, and I think anybody who knows which end of a hammer to pick up could do it.
You'll know you made the right choice with a Kitfox, because a commitment to excellence and attention to quality not only gives you a better airplane, they save you time and effort and get you flying more quickly. To support Kitfox builders and owners, Skystar created a dedicated customer support team.
The customer service organization stands ready to help the customers during the very first steps of construction on the aircraft. We assist in the initial inventory and wish to make sure that our customers feel very comfortable with the first construction procedures that they undertake during the process of building their plane. But we're not here just to assist with construction steps. We are also available to help all the way through first flight and operation of the aircraft after it's airborne, in that we have full parts and service support for airplanes that are flying.
Skystar offers these support services to Kitfox owners from 2 locations worldwide: Skystar's corporate offices in Nampa, Idaho, and Skystar Europe, located in Vaur, France. Both locations offer technical support, supply parts and accessories, and provide a resource center for Kitfox owners.
The company's treated me just first class. People have gotten to know me. They know my name when I call, and never have failed to answer a question. And I've told them that on the phone many times. When I had a question, they never failed to satisfy my curiosity.
Skystar's team of professional technical writers use computer desktop publishing systems to create the Kitfox owner's manuals and other support materials. Clear photographs and computer drawings are placed side by side with detailed instructions to assist you with each step of your building process. The use of computer systems not only enhances quality, each manual is constantly updated to include information from current Kitfox owners, as well as new design enhancements from Skystar's Can-I program.
One of the keys to the successful completion of a Kitfox project lies in our technical support and our documentation. Our documentation folks are real professionals. They also have actual experience in the maintenance and the construction of the aircraft, so they offer first-hand knowledge. Our technical support staff are the folks who actually maintain our aircraft, our production aircraft, as well as our research aircraft. The technical support staff are real detectives. They have the ability to listen very, very carefully to each individual customer's questions, and they gear their answers based on that customer's individual background.
The manual is what you'll first look at, and it looked pretty simple. It's very well informed on pictures and things like that. You could see how to put it together, and step by step, you know. It was very nice.
Been very happy with my decision to be part of the Kitfox family. And the customer service, the manuals, they're continually updating and upgrading everything. They send out service bulletins if there are things that they find out that could be improvements in the airplane. If there's changes that need to be done in the construction of the airplane that will speed it up, make it easier for the first-time builder, or for that matter for any builder, I've even had them make personal phone calls to me unsolicited to help me through anything that seemed to be what they felt like could be a potential problem or speed up the building or the ease of the building of the aircraft.
In addition to outstanding documentation, Kitfox owners can count on Skystar's dedicated team of technical support specialists for clarification and help with their project.
You can start from there. If you fly the aircraft and decide that, let's say you wanted better climb at it, out of the aircraft, what you would do is you would set that propeller up.
For customers who want to upgrade their Kitfox or purchase parts and accessories, Skystar's product support group is an excellent resource. This team manages detailed records on the history of every Kitfox aircraft, provides Kitfox owner assistance by fax, phone, and in person, and arranges for the shipment of Kitfox accessories to Kitfox owners around the world. In addition to technical and moral support, your Kitfox gives you the opportunity to make new friends and share in the fellowship of sport aviation. Many Kitfox owners find that building and flying a Kitfox brings them closer to their family and provides new opportunities to spend quality time together.
I thought maybe he was going through his midlife crises. And then when I saw the Stitz film about how you cover it, you know, and all that work, and I thought, oh my gosh, I'll just let him do it by himself. You know, that can just be his thing. And when it came, it was just so exciting. I just got into it.
I just love going every place with our airplane. We're able to jump in it. I'm shift work, and I'm able to jump in the airplane and take a trip for 2 or 3 hours, and then come back and go to work that afternoon or the next day. That we both really enjoy having the airplane around.
Building this airplane together has really been a learning experience for us, because so many of the things that you do to build an airplane are things that he has a lot more experience in than I have, but I still want to do it. So I just have to sit down and learn how to do things like deburring holes and doing things that he's done a lot of, but I'm still taking part in it. It just, I have to work harder at it.
Many activities and fly-ins are coordinated through Kitfox clubs around the world. Ask any fellow Kitfox owner what they think of their plane, and you'll hear not only of their aircraft, but their whole way of life. You can be sure you're getting a proven performer. By our estimate, the Kitfox design has over 250,000 hours of customer flight time. You'll know you've made the right choice when you experience the responsive handling, the impressive performance, short takeoff and landing characteristics, versatility, comfort, and safety, which have become Kitfox trademarks. On behalf of everyone at Skystar and the thousands of Kitfox owners everywhere, thank you for taking the time to consider the Kitfox. With a Kitfox, the dream of building and flying your own plane is within your reach. If you can dream it, you can do it.